If you are diabetic and you have replaced your rice with the rotis but still not able to control the diabetes, then this video is for you. A diabetic person should focus on having food which is low in glycemic index, and also its glycemic load too should be low. These foods should be high in fiber but slow in carbohydrates. These should be high in proteins and other minerals and other nutrients also. So you have to focus on having the foods which do not make you feel hungry abruptly, which keeps you fuller for longer time and does not spike up your blood sugar levels. Interestingly, roti and rice, they both have somewhat same glycemic index. That means when you eat roti or rice, they increase the sugar levels and the same rate. The way your roti increases your sugar level, in the same way rice also increases your sugar level. Only difference here is that you can count the rotis you are having, but you cannot have a measurement of the rice. Having measurement of a rice is a little difficult. I have already told you which rice is best for diabetics. You can go through the video. The link is here in the description box, and you can also click through this I button. Today in this video, I will tell you how to make your roti low in glycemic load and glycemic index. How to make your regular wheat roti diabetic friendly. You just need to mix few ingredients in your regular wheat atta and your diabetic friendly atta will be ready. For making a diabetic friendly atta, you need to mix certain things in your atta which are having low glycemic index, so that when you take a mean of this atta, its overall glycemic index is lower than your regular wheat atta. The first thing which you need to mix in your atta is chana or chickpea. These are high in protein, high in fiber, and have very low glycemic index as compared to your regular wheat atta. This makes your atta protein rich, fiber rich, and low in carbohydrates. Chana or chickpea has a glycemic index of only 28. Apart from chana, you can mix a handful of almonds in 1 kg of your regular atta. Health benefits of almonds are known to everyone. These are nutrient dense and these will make your atta more nutritious, and this will strengthen your nerves also. You can also add 50 grams of Psyllium Husk or Isabgol in your regular atta to make it diabetic friendly. Isabgol has both soluble and insoluble fiber. This will keep you satiated for longer time. This will also help you in preventing any cardiovascular diseases. This will also help you in preventing from getting high cholesterol levels. Isabgol has so many health benefits. It's not just a constipation reliever, but it has so many health benefits. I'll bring up another video for this. Now I will show you exactly how you can do all this to make this diabetic friendly easily at home. For making this diabetic friendly atta, you need to take 500 grams of regular wheat flour and 500 grams of this Chana ka atta or sattu. 100 grams of sattu contains 25 grams of protein. This is a very good source of protein for vegetarians also. You need to roast 100 grams of almonds to release the phytic acid content of the almonds, otherwise you will not be able to absorb the nutrients from the almonds. Now mix in it 50 grams of Psyllium Husk or Isabgol and 100 grams of roasted and ground almonds. Both Psyllium Husk and almond flour has 0 glycemic index. Make sure that for this mix, you take whole wheat chakki atta only and not the roller mill atta. Anyone from your family can eat the rotis made from this atta because it has become more nutritious and it helps in preventing your diseases and easing your constipation also. These investments in your good health will always give you good returns. This will save you from huge hospital bills in the near future if you are a diabetic. If you are diabetic, you are prone to the risks of cardiovascular diseases and much more. Your kidneys are always at the risk and your heart is always at the risk. So do watch my video how to cure diabetes in 3 simple ways. If you like this video, please do share with your friends. and do consider subscribing to my channel because I work hard for you. I shoot this video with my mobile, doing editing with my mobile, and I'm kind of snatching the time from my regular chores and making these informative and health videos for you. You can just help me by subscribing to my channel and making me reach more people. Thank you so much for being here with me on this journey called health. Believe me, your food is your medicine, and if you do not take food as a medicine, you have to take medicines as your food. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye, and do take very good care of yourself. Try to stay stress free because stress is the main cause of all the diseases.